today in the UWS Foundation Academy, doing little tours of the university and looking at different courses that we picked.
There are quite a lot of pupils who are perhaps first generation going to university, and it sets them up to know what to expect if parents wouldn't be able to give them that insight, as well as application help, which is invaluable.
The Foundation Academy has given me a good insight in what everything's like, the classroom set up, the different lecturers and how you went about your uni day.
I did a course on life sciences and it was just like a wee preview of what's involved in the course, and I got to meet my lecturer and he was super friendly and we was in kids at the end, which was really nice.
I definitely enjoyed getting to see what it's actually like at a uni and what the environment's like, and getting to experience different courses and stuff like that.
After the Foundation Academy, I feel more confident about applying for universities and how to do it.
The best bit of today so far for me was getting a chance to be able to meet all the other people who are interested in doing the same course as me.
It's been a fantastic day for the pupils and they're thoroughly enjoying it. I think sometimes they're not confident enough to put an application in, thinking university's maybe not something that's within their reach. And I think just having a day like this lets them see that it is something that they can work towards with this partnership with UWS.